Iyang o kasale yemen ko. Yech roman Weeket nan momoten puinan kawata ko sa net kaysa kan wen Pohnpei. Program which can kau nakatasang option public information dan Apple o kaway dan option speaker o ngay sabon na may dito sintiya eliawat kar maban. Som ay saksakarabu kupurakan out of an wrong watch. Eri, pwede ibang patch-patchonin lang. Mawa ay chumar sakaran kay Bani o kapung bang kupuranan nilap sa machay coach. Ay chumar sakaran kay Bani o wawlap bang kupuran araksawayan Pohnpei yu. Wawlap bang kupuran isananggan ko. Pachawan wawang kisapon narlukan ko. Nanalang ko. Nangganyi ko. Ipilmento ko ako wawat sa machay kapnayan wen Pohnpei. The Honorable Rick P. Oliver. Karyawan kapna Honorable Francisco L. Yuanes, Speaker and Legislator kaysa kan wen Pohnpei, the Honorable Marvin T. Yamaguchi, o yamamoy Honorable Senators kan Koros, Saun Kobung Nakalap and wen Pohnpei, the Honorable Nelson Joseph, o yamamoy Saun Kobung kan Koros. Labalap kay ti kan Koros nan peliensiya, momotso o government. O namelal ay chumalwaw ang kaklelem John Pohnpei yunsak sama chanan kalal lelang nasligan kalal watch. Rakach o bachanan program watch. Puengkak pura macha kapese program watch nan woy. Ayech ira oralat ew me bansansan nan program watch me ye kapese pen officers kan o organizations kan and puinan kawata ko sa net kaysa kan wen Pohnpei. Yech officers kan. Speaker, the Honorable Marvin T. Yamaguchi, Sang Colonia Town. Vice Speaker, Honorable Makarami Kael Sang Kuchi. Floor Leader, Honorable Atsana Pram Sang Matalanim. Standing Committee tuwaw may pigmiyanan Pelwatch o Yech Maran Red Chairman kan o members kan. Committee on Education, Takandang Kamarain. Senator Centelina Leca, Sang Nukworo, Chairperson. Senator Mitaro Aismina, Sang Sokes, Vice Chairman. Senator Atsana Pram, Sang Matalanim Member. Senator Tagar T. Daniel, Sang Kichi Member. Senator Sonster Ayat Kor, Sang U Member. Senator Brian P. Edside, Sang Sokes Member. Senator Miguel Mike Loyola, Sang Nech Member. Senator Macario Miguel, Sang Kichi Member, o Senator Sheldon G. Ned, Sang Matalanim Member. Committee on Environment and Climate Relations, Senator Ricky Cord, Sang Matalanim Chairman, Senator Miguel Mike Loyola, Vice Chairman, Senator Atsana Pram Member, Senator Elkena Che Johnson, Sang Mokulo Member, Senator Alfred Sang Latore, Sang Kichi Member, Senator Kasintasi Ludwig, Sang Kapngamarami Member, Senator Erolin S. Movic, Sang Kichi Member, Senator Mitaro Aismina Member, o Senator Jason A. Walger, Sang Sokes Member. Committee on Finance, Tepelian Moni, Senator Stevenson A. Joseph Samu Chairman, Senator Isaac Ortui, Sang Sokes Vice Chairman, Senator Kukuo Apis Jr., Sang Pangulap Member, Senator Steve A. Edwin, Sang Sapuafuk Member, Senator Jack S. Aris, Sang Colonia Member, Senator Elkena J. Johnson Member, Senator Centelina Leca Member, Senator Miguel Mike Loyola Member, Senator Kasinta C. Ludwig Member, Senator Erolin S. Movic Member, o Senator Sheldon G. Ned Member. Committee on J&Co, the Judiciary and Governmental Operations, Senator Steve A. Edwin, Chairman, Senator Tagar T. Daniel, Vice Chairman, Senator Isaac Ortui, Member, Senator Ricky Cord, Member, Senator Jack S. Aris, Member, Senator Stevenson A. Joseph, Member, Senator Macario Miguel, Member, Senator Mitaro Aismina, Member, o Senator Nelbert A. Perez, Sang Matalanim Member. Committee on L. Tabelian Rosan Mang. Senator Brian B. Edside, Chairman. Senator Elkena J. Johnson, Vice Chairman. Senator Atsan Abram, Member. Senator Kikuwo Apis Jr., Member. Senator Wilfred H. Edmond, Sam Nech, Member. Senator Stevenson A. Joseph, Member. Senator Alfred San Latorre, Member. Senator Casinta C. Ludwig, Member. O Senator Sheldon G. Ned, Member. Committee and Staff, the Land. Senator Nelbert A. Perez, Chairman. Senator Wilfred H. Edmond, Vice Chairman. Senator Kikuwo Apis Jr., Member. Senator Ricky Corn, Member. Senator Brian B. Edside, Member. Senator Solicitor A. Edgar, Member. Senator Steve A. Edwin, Member. Senator Alfred San Latorre, Member. O Senator Mitaro I. Simina, Member. Committee and PWTC, the Public Works, Transportation, and Communication. Senator Aurelien S. Moffett, Chairperson. Senator Kikuwo Apis Jr., Vice Chairman. Senator Isaac Artwe, Member. Senator Solicitor A. Edgar, Member. Senator Miguel Mike Loyola, Member. Senator Jack S. Aris, Member. Senator Elkena J. Johnson, Member. Senator Nelbert A. Perez, Member. O Senator Jason A. Walger, Member. Committee on Resources and Development, the R&D. Senator Jason A. Walcher, Chairman. Senator Jack Aris, Vice Chairman. Senator Ricky Corn, Member. Senator Wilfred H. Edmond, Member. Senator Brian B. Edside, Member. Senator Casinta C. Ludwig, Member. Senator Stevenson A. Joseph, Member. Senator Centelina Lega, Member. O Senator Nelbert A. Perez, Member. Ang message out of an program watch o kung may pintache ang page ng programa kan megang tacho o tamor. Kalangan o kasalelian may ko.